In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in ClickUp. If your ClickUp alerts are starting to feel distracting or overwhelming, adjusting your notification settings can make a big difference. ClickUp gives you control over how and where you receive updates, so you can reduce interruptions and focus on the work that matters most. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn off notifications across email, browser, desktop, and mobile, and also how to fine-tune your inbox alerts. To get started, open ClickUp and click your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, select Notifications. This will take you to the area where all of your alert preferences are managed. First, look for the email setting. Open the drop-down menu beside it and choose Disable Notifications. This stops ClickUp from sending notification emails to your inbox, which is helpful if you want to cut down on extra messages throughout the day. Next, move to Browser Notifications. Open the drop-down beside Browser and select Disable Notifications. This will prevent pop-up alerts from appearing in your web browser while you're working. After that, find the Desktop option. Open the drop-down beside Desktop and select Disable Notifications there as well. If you use the Desktop app, this keeps those alerts from appearing on your computer screen. Now do the same for mobile notifications. Open the drop-down beside Mobile and select Disable Notifications. This is a useful setting if you want fewer interruptions on your phone. You can also reduce the number of alerts showing up in your ClickUp inbox. Find the inbox setting and open the drop-down beside it. Here, select Focused or Custom. Focused is a good option if you want ClickUp to limit inbox activity to the most important updates, while Custom gives you more control. If you choose Custom, go ahead and turn off the specific notification types you no longer want to receive. This lets you keep the alerts that are useful while removing the ones that create noise. Next, look for Smart Notifications. If you don't want ClickUp automatically managing mobile notifications for you, disable Smart Notifications. This gives you more direct control over what reaches your device. If you only want to pause notifications temporarily, click your profile picture again, select Set Status, and enable Mute Notifications. Then choose how long the mute should last and click Save. This is especially helpful when you're in meetings, focusing deeply, or simply need a break from alerts for a while. And that's it. You've now adjusted your ClickUp notification settings to better match the way you work. Thanks for watching.